The Fanttik Slim V8 car vacuum impresses with its lightweight design, weighing just under 500 grams, making it incredibly easy to handle for quick cleanups. With its powerful brushless motor, this vacuum offers impressive suction power, reaching up to 19,000 pascals, which is perfect for tackling small-scale debris in cars or on desks. The device is versatile, featuring 4 functions in one compact unit, allowing it to vacuum, blow, inflate, and pump, catering to a variety of cleaning needs. Equipped with 10 practical accessories, it easily reaches tight spaces and effectively handles pet hair on fabric surfaces, making it an ideal choice for pet owners. The convenience of a Type-C charging port ensures quick recharging in 2.5 hours, whether using a car charger or standard outlets. Its one-touch emptying system, combined with a highly efficient HEPA filter, makes maintenance a breeze, capturing most dust and particles without a mess.